around the rules?
Okay.
This is huge. This is gonna be so fun.
Okay, look, wait. Somebody explain.
Wait.
I'm not sure if I want to do this. I almost thought about throwing it past my mouth.
They have
Do it.
habaneros and they're eating them. No, nothing to drink.
You have to chew them 3 times, and you cannot drink anything for 5 minutes after you swallow it. For every minute that you can't last,
Okay, Mike called it.
you lose $2. Does that make sense?
Habanero. Wait.
Hey,
Go!
Oh my gosh.
Get their face. And this is all for $10.
Oh my god!
They swallow it 5 minutes from now.
Oh my god.
Okay. I feel it right here.
Don't throw up!
If you throw up, you lose.
Oh my god!
Don't throw up in my kitchen.
Oh my god.
We're both gonna throw up.
Oh my god.
My baby's throwing up.
I'm not drinking this. This is for.
No, can't drink anything.
This is like fucking hell. It's 1 minute.
4 more minutes.
No, you guys.
Hey!
Hey!
I don't want to get no staff around here. This is not real. I feel like I'm on drugs right now.
No drinking.
You think I'm gonna drink this?
3 minutes.
What?
Yes.
This is unbelievable. This is pain right here. This should be what the mobsters do to those guys that steal money. This is not real.
You guys are doing great.
Oh my god. I think my puke.
Look at that, it's getting better.
Oh my god!
Is it better to swallow or spit it?
That's a question.
This is not right. This can't be from food. This is not right. Mike, it's okay. We're all...
Does that hurt?
I feel like something's coming out of my nose and mouth. It's just flowing.
No, go. It hurts to breathe.
It's my entire mouth, and it flows down to about my nipple.
No, my nasals.
Belly button. Yeah.
Don't blow your nose, man.
Can you suck it up through there? No. Just blow it all out. Just exhale without inhaling.
Inhaling's the worst part.
Dan's sweating.
Just remember, it will continue tomorrow, the pain.
No? Oh. No, this still hurts.
Oh yeah, it's breathing that hurts.
How much time is that?
You only got 2 minutes to go. What
So
is
you
this?
start
Yeah,
with like 5 minutes when they first bit?
Don't let our mellow
for about 4
mood think that it doesn't hurt.
I
Hey,
feel like I should be banging my head against the wall to get the pain away.
try it.
Works a little. That looks so good.
It's like,
I just want to eat butter.
you know that feeling you get when you get a shot in the mouth at the dentist? Imagine the numbness but pain. Just everywhere.
It kind of seems like you're going numb.
Yeah, I am allergic to it. No, I'm just kidding. Your eyes are red.
He tells us he's allergic to peppers.
This better be a good ass movie.
Hey, Dad. Oh, your eyes are all red. Mike.
Sick.
Mike.
This sucks. Can I start pouring my milk? Can you start pouring my milk? Can you please start pouring my milk?
Steve, go get a milk.
Make it a big glass.
Oh, sorry.
Can you go grab my wallet and the pants?
What am I doing?
My lips just got numb.
What was that? Do I swallow or spit?
Rinse that out.
Does dancing really help?
Just get my mind off it helps. My stomach hurts.
No, I feel great except for the pain.
No. No, I need a little more. How much longer are we at?
Wait. Oh my god!
You almost lost $2.
Lost $2 there.
It's almost worth it.
All this was for $10.
Hey, how much money would I lose if I took a drink
Oh,
right
you
now?
got it. You're done.
Their 5 minutes is up.
Was it a trick? No.
No, because now.